Welcome to another Eco Sports adventure on ecopenny. This time we're going to do Hat Hill Canyon in the Blue Mountains. So Hat Hill is what's called a horizontal canyon. So you're basically walking down a creek going over logs and obstacles, but there's no abseiling going vertical down ropes. So it's a bit easier for beginners because you haven't got that abseiling. I'll give you a rundown of the gear. So I've got a wetsuit, dry bags for everything because the pack's going to get wet, and of course some water. So each dry bag's got separate gear. So this one's for clothes, got a raincoat, shorts and undies for after the wet canyon bit, towel, buff, gloves, sunnies, hat. This one's the food one, got sandwiches, snacks. For lunch, the water bottles just go in the pack, it doesn't matter if they get wet. Got first aid in this one, sun cream, insect repeller, hand sanitizer. The equipment in this one, ID and a bit of money goes in there, phone goes in there, head torch, 15 metres of rope just in case, the map and notes. Just made it to the start line on Godson Avenue, ready for the canyon. Hopefully the weather heats up, we'll see what happens. Made it to the wrecked car. Ford Falcon. Going to be downhill until we get to the Hat Hill Canyon. Made it to Hat Hill Creek, so ready to start the canyon. So you need a helmet and a wetsuit for this, even in summer. Although it's not that hot today, even though it's summer. Got all the gear on now, helmet, wetsuit, ready to go. Venturing into the canyon now. The water should be nice and warm because it's summer. It's freezing!
Actually, I'm going to get you out of the next bit. That's exciting.
It's freezing! It's refreshing.
See, I've caught you at the funnel.
Gonna be up to your neck, Maribel.
Oh, that is cold.
Embrace it.
Oh. What am I complaining? I did Tasmanian water in like really cold. Oh, I need a ladder.
Yeah, I do.
This is when you're gonna do the lambada.
You can just walk under it, Maribel.
Hey.
Go, Maribel.
Fresh grit trainer.
Yeah. You go. That's it, you're under.
Made it.
Yeah.
Far out.
You're still smiling though.
That's a good one.
Cheers.
It's an amazing little swim through.
It's like being in another world here. Just looks prehistoric of all the ferns and the rocks. Another drop off here. Might be foothold there. Time to go swimming. It's freezing. Doggy paddling with one hand. That's what we can smell. Yuck.
I'm gonna have to walk it because if I fall off, I'm on the sand.
Except it's moving.
Action woman.
Fall on the sand.
Sorry, you go.
Life finds a way growing out of the dead log. Look at this dam.
See where it's come around the corner, Laura?
Yeah, water's cut its way around that side. The main dam here and the auxiliary spillway here. Good shower. This is the exit point up there, up that steep slope. A lot of debris here from the floods. So we're going to go a bit further to the cliff to have lunch, come back here, get changed and then exit.
It's huge bubbles.
Yeah. I wonder if there's like a cave down there.
Could be a big hole.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Made it to the cliff edge for lunch. Such an awesome view, wow! Just look at this, it's spectacular. Got to be careful not to go too close to the edge though. I'm hanging back here. It's pretty cool.
I just find those little gas cylinders are getting so expensive.
Out of the wetsuit, ready for the climb out. This is pretty tough, but there's only one way out, and that's up. Still got some flannel flowers here.
This tree's loose.
Cool looking orchid.
So this is the wild
Where is it?
orchid. It's a wild orchid.
Just this thing here.
All the time. It just feels like it takes a long time.
Go down the next canyon, Jets. Yep.
We're on Bald Ridge now. It's opening out. Not as steep, which is good. Still pretty cool for summer.
probably top of 17 or 18. That's where we've come from. There's a road there, you can make out the cars. There's Hat Hill there, so you're going to go left because you don't want to do another hill. Almost back at the cars. Just a bit closer there now.
Made it back to the cars, that was an effort. It's about 5 o'clock, left at about 9:30, hit the canyon about 10, so it's been a pretty long day. So that was a good adventure at Hat Hill Canyon. I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to see more videos. It's a good canyon because you don't need abseiling, just need a good level of fitness, but you don't need to abseil down ropes. It's more of a horizontal canyon. Thanks for watching, see you next time.